everybody? My name is Kate and welcome back. Today we are going to be tie-dyeing. Yes, we are doing the trend that everybody is doing. We are basic. But I have this white sweater, which I've actually really enjoyed being white, so this might be a huge disappointment. And these white sweatpants, I'm not flexible enough. Yes, I got it in there. There was dust on my foot. And we're going to tie-dye this whole thing. Now, the pants are somewhat of like a shiny material, so I'm not sure how nicely they're going to tie-dye. But I'm thinking the sweater's going to look really cute. Let's see. So the first thing you'll need is a white sweater and white sweatpants. I just got these on Amazon. And then you will need rubber bands. I got a whole pack. And then you're going to need a little squeezy bottle because you want that ink to come out of somewhere. And then that was the ink. I really struggled with throwing it to look cool, so that's me crawling back for it. And then I tried throwing it again. And I was aiming, and I missed again, and I hit the bottle, which made it even worse. So I decided just to do a close-up. I'm using Tiy-dye, which has been very popular lately. So the first thing you want to do is wet your shirt. Put it in warm water and really wet it up. Squeeze out any excess water, and then just lay it out flat. And just push it, as flat as possible. Then you want to crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. I'm using the crinkle method, clearly. And I'm just kind of pushing the shirt in random ways together in a little ball. I just wrapped that with rubber bands to get it as tight as possible into a cute little ball. And then I went ahead and did the other sleeve where I did the same thing. I just crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. And then I covered it in rubber bands to make sure it was secure and would not move. I then did the same thing for the bottom, and I made it look like a little Mickey Mouse ears and face. So I was like, oh, that's cute. It looks like Mickey Mouse. Who knew? So that's how I kept my shirt, and I just wanted to make sure it was really secure with rubber bands, so when I had to move it from place to place, it wouldn't get ruined. So then this was the bottle full of dye. Now I put the dye just in the bottle. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to put water and then put a couple tablespoons of the dye. I did not do that because I wanted the dye to leak and bleed everywhere because I wanted my shirt to be more purpley than just black. So I just put the pure dye there. Do this at your own risk. It's probably better to put water and then some of the dye, but I YOLO'd. And I knew that it would cause bleeding, which would make the shirt more purple and less black. Then I covered it in saran wrap just so when I moved it from place to place, it wouldn't get completely gross. This also helped when I let the shirt rest for 6 to 8 hours because then the ink was just within itself and wasn't falling on my bathtub or anywhere. So the saran wrap just helped things be cleaner and neater. So then I wanted to use the pants, and I realized as soon as I put it down, I just put it down on ink, so that already kind of messed things up. And my biggest fear was to have a big splotch in the crotch area, so then I turned it around and realized I had just done that. And I had a mini freak out, but then I thought, you know what, it's okay. I'm just going to crinkle this up, wrap it in rubber bands, and we're going to see what happens. YOLO. I already kind of thought the pants wouldn't take well because of their material, so I just kept going. I then put out the saran wrap, as you can see, because I thought this would make it easier. I should have done this before I put down the pants, but to each his own, you live, you learn. So I crinkled that all up in one big ball, and then I started inking it up. Again, this was just pure ink, basically. It wasn't diluted with any water. It's up to you. I wanted the pants to be fully purple with darker spots, so I didn't really want the pure black color, and that is why I didn't really dilute it, but it is, again, up to you. So I left the shirt tied up for 6 to 7 hours, and then I washed it out a bit, and then I'm going to put it in a washer and dryer. But right now, it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Now, for the pants look butt ugly. These are some ugly looking pants. I think the type of fabric was just not really good for the ink that was used. So I'm going to put this in the wash and we'll see what happens. So I'm taking it out, and this is not a good sign. The pants are coming apart on this sweater. I don't even know what the string leads to. What is going on? So the sweater's looking okay. Okay, everyone, so this is the final result. I'm pretty happy with the sweater, although I used black ink. I knew it would run, so it's kind of more a light purple, and then it has darker spots all over and on the back, and I think it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I liked the white sweater. But I think this is pretty cool. It's kind of purpley with the brown and black. Now, when it comes to the pants, it wasn't their time. It wasn't their time to shine. But we're going to show you them regardless. These are the pants. As you can see, nothing stayed. They're literally just a light purple. It's because of the material of the pants. I kind of thought they wouldn't work out. It's kind of a rayon type of material. I don't really know what it is, but it's kind of shiny, and therefore the color just did not stay. There are these weird like brown stains, which probably are hard to see in the camera, but honestly look like poop, so it's not great. But overall, I think the sweater came out great, and I think I'm gonna try to order a cotton type pants so it can actually have a sweater that matches. Because it's all about that matching apparel. And right now, my pants just, they aren't doing it. They aren't doing it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.